Loora App Review. Let's get started. Loora AI is an English language learning app that utilizes artificial intelligence to simulate real-life conversations, providing users with instant feedback or grammar pronunciation and fluency, designed for learners of all levels. It offers a personalized and flexible approach to practicing spoken English. Now let's talk about its pros. For the pros, it has personalized learning, flexible practice, real-time feedback, a wide range of topics, and a user-friendly interface. Now for the cons though, it has a limited free version. It has a subscription cost, it has repetitive conversations, and it lacks of human interaction. And lastly, it has technical limitations. Now for the pricing, it starts with $11 per month and for monthly. Now, if you want to choose Loora AI, make sure that you know its value because Loora AI is a valuable tool for individuals seeking to enhance their English speaking skills through flexible AI-driven conversations. Its personalized approach and real-time feedback make it suitable for learners aiming to improve fluency and confidence.